Down. That's low.
Attaboy, AJ! Attaboy, AJ! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
Feels pretty good. I mean, Morristown has never been this far before in any teams. I mean, for baseball, so this is really good to finally be like on top, and really excited for Tuesday. The whole team's looking forward to it.
Just feels good. Our team really came together. We picked each other up.
Team effort came out a little unexpected to last 9 innings, but we were luckily able to come out and get the W against the defending champs. Feels really good.